Okay, so in this video we will see how we can work with SharePoint Online Recycle Bin. This is a very important place where you can find all your deleted files, documents, sites, everything. You will get it here. So first of all, whenever you will delete an item from a SharePoint site, maybe or item or a document, it will go to the recycle bin, which is sometimes called as the first stage recycle bin. That means this is the first place where it will go. If you delete from the recycle bin or from the first stage recycle bin, then it will go to the second stage recycle bin. So from there also you will be able to restore. So if you want to delete or let's say you delete the entire site collection, I want to retrieve that, then you can delete it from, you can retrieve it from the SharePoint Online Admin Center. I will show you that. So let us understand how exactly this delete process works. So in SharePoint Online, whenever you will delete an item, this will retain for 93 days. And once you and this will count from the moment you delete it from the item, deleted the item from the to the recycle bin. Now suppose you deleted the item from the recycle bin after let's say 20 days, then it will go to the second stage recycle bin and it will stay for next 73 days in the second stage recycle bin. So whatever the remainder days, it will be stayed there for the second stage. So totally it will be anyway, it will be 93 days. And if the let's say you have deleted lot items or the files or the site, then it will actually if the site collection or the quota exceeds, then it will start deleting the oldest items. So that means whichever the items which are deleted at the beginning, those will be start deleting. And the space allocated to the site collection the space allocated for the recycle bin is 200% of the site collection quota. So whatever the site collection quota, it will be deleted, it will be allocated 200% of that one. And by default, actually internally, SharePoint Online will retain the backup of all the content for additional 14 days. So before that, I mean, after that, it will delete the items permanently. Meaning after 14 days, you will not have any option where you can actually restore the content. During this 15 days, probably you can contact the Microsoft support team and then you can get it, you can get the data. But if those 14 days over, then it will actually delete the document or the delete the items from totally, it will permanently delete it. So now, if I will actually let's open the SharePoint site and then I'll show you. So if I'll open the SharePoint site, let us say this is our HR site, and if you'll see the recycle bin, you can click on this and you will see here the recycle bin is there. For example, the holiday list is deleted from there. Let me go to any document library. Let's say this is the document library. I'll select the document and I will delete it. So if you'll see here, it is deleted. And if I will now refresh it, you'll be able to see two items are there. You can see here. And I will select one item and then click on restore. So if I'll click on restore, then if I will check this document library now, you can see here the document is there now. So this way you can restore the item. But now let me go to the recycle bin. And if I will delete again, you can see here it is saying yes, delete it. So once you delete this, it will actually go to the second stage recycle bin. You can see here down. So you can click on that and you will be able to see here the second stage recycle bin. You will find it. You can just click on that and then you can restore. If you'll delete, it will be permanently deleted. If you'll restore, then it will be actually restored into the document library. If I'll refresh it, you can see here the holiday list is there now. You can see the recycle bin link from the site settings page. If I'll click on this, I'll go to the site information, and down if you'll see here there is just a view all site settings is there. Click on that and then if you'll see here there is recycle bins. You can see here in the site collection administrator. So that means you should have a site collection administrator, then only you will be able to see it. So if you'll click on that, you will be able to see the recycle bin. You can see here, and from there you can go to the second stage recycle bin as well. So anything you delete, maybe it's a library, maybe it's a document, maybe it's a item, maybe it's a page, everything you delete, it will come to the recycle bin. Apart from that, you can also delete the site and you can restore it. For example, if let's say this is our HR group site, I will go click on this settings icon. I will click on site information, and down if you'll see here, there is a delete site button is there. So if I'll click on delete site, it is saying that there is a Office 365 group associated with this. Let's say I want to delete everything. So I'll select this and click on delete. Now if you'll see here, the site got deleted. So if you'll actually now try to refresh it, you will see that the file not found, it is not there. Now where it will go? If you'll go to the admin center, Office 365 admin center, then there is, sorry, it is the SharePoint Online admin center. And if you'll go to the deleted sites, you can see here, you will get the HR group site. So you can just click on this and you can restore it. You can see here, you will restore and the site will be restored now. So if I'll actually now refresh it, you can see here we will be able to see everything. All this customization, everything is also presented there, and we can see the site from here. So this is how we can work with the recycle bin in SharePoint Online modern sites.